The screen is a Python file where we are using the Python code in which we have used the concept of inheritance. So in Python, inheritance is nothing but we are creating a child class for already existing class, and the child class can make use of all the members of parent. The child class can make use of all the members of parent class, which is the existing class. So a new class is created which can access the members of the existing class, that is called inheritance. So here we have a class person inside which we have the init method or function which has three parameters: self, first name and last name. And init is acting as here the constructor. Init function is used for initializing the class object. So whenever class object is created, this automatically gets executed and it assigns value to class members, which it is doing here. So first name and last name are the class members to which using the fname and lname parameter we are assigning value. And then we have the print name
function which is displaying the first name and last name. So these two functions are present in the class person. And then we have the child class. We created the child class. So for creating child class, we just create a class, and beside the class name in parentheses we write the parent class name, the class which you want to be the parent of the current class. That class you will be mentioning in the parentheses.
And for now, I did not write anything in the class, in the child class. I just wrote pass, which acts as the placeholder of code, which for which we can write the code later according to requirement. So when we write pass, it ignores this space, thinking that it is placeholder of. It creates a placeholder for code to be written later. And then here I'm creating object for class student, which is the child class, and I'm assigning value for first name as Ash and last name as Rai. So Ash Rai will be the first name and last name which we are assigning at the time of object creation. So whenever object is created, this init function will automatically get executed, but it is in the parent class which is being accessed by the child class object. And then using again the child class object, we are printing the names using the print name function, which is again the member of parent class person. So here you can notice we are creating object for student class, which is child class. We are not creating object for parent class. We are creating object for student class, which is child class, and accessing the functions, that is the members of parent class, which is print name here. So now if I execute this file, I'm going to get the first name and last name displayed as Ash and Rai. So Ash, Rai, first name, last name displayed using the print name function of person class, but we have called it or accessed it using the
Child class object X.